Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If the package arrived at Amazon's facility or the carrier facility, contact Amazon with the delivery complaint. If it didn't arrive at the facility, contact the third-party seller. Either way, you want to have the order number handy. When dealing with Amazon, go first to the Contact Us page.
Let's help you make your mark.
Amazon covers most stolen packages through its A to Z guarantee protection. But if you've waited 2 or more business days for a response or the seller is uncooperative, you can file a claim with Amazon and they'll likely issue a refund. In many cases, retailers will quickly agree to send you a replacement item.
Take our lead.
Does Amazon investigate stolen packages? The buyer has 90 days to file a claim without the help of an Amazon rep, so it can be argued the buyer has at least 90 days to report a lost or stolen package. Yes, sellers are responsible for lost packages. Other buyers could give you few days to investigate.
Make your mark, take our lead.
When a company sends you an item that didn't order, it's called an unsolicited good. In these cases, you're well within your rights to keep them. If you have goods delivered to you that you didn't ask for, you have no obligation to send them back or to pay for them.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.